edition of the Auto Expo highlights. We have got some interesting news in this edition as Hyundai has unveiled their concept car at the Auto Expo. Let's check what other news we have from the Auto Expo. Hyundai India had some big plans during the Auto Expo 2020 and it has unveiled a new sensuous sportiness concept car at the Auto Expo 2020. Hyundai India also unveiled another vehicle under the future of mobility with Hyundai Kite. Haima Automobile made their entry into the Indian market by presenting their car at the Auto Expo 2020, their first electric car, Bird Electric EV1. Suzuki Motorcycles India also showcased their scooters and sports bike at the Auto Expo 2020. So guys, that's all for now from this edition, but stay tuned for all the latest updates from the Auto Expo only on our channel Indian Drives, and also do not forget to share, like and subscribe our channel.